क्रिसमस का वक्त है, घर पे ही पार्टी कर लेते हैं. That's why I have done that simple sober home party look for your Christmas. So what are you waiting for? Let's get into the Friends, I'm just starting with moisturization. Now I'm applying a light shade concealer on the top of my eyelid for the eye makeup. Now I'm taking this brown shade and applying on the outer corners of my eyelid. I'm taking these two shades and applying on my eyelid, because these two shades are really going with the dress that I'm wearing, and I want to keep this look very subtle, yet it will give a shimmery effect on my eyes. Now I'm doing a simple liner thing, not a fancy one, because it's a home party. Now I'm color correcting because I thought I need that. That's why I'm doing a color correcting thing. Now foundation time. I'm applying foundation with the help of my beauty blender in a dabbing motion. Dab 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 dab. Sorry for this nonsense. Sorry. Yeah. Now I'm applying concealer in the areas which definitely need concealing and highlighting. Yes. Now I'm doing the contouring part. यार मेरे chubby cheeks कब कम होंगे यार? Really, give me some suggestions so that I can reduce some weight. Really need that. Okay, now I'm doing contouring and concealing simultaneously. It's almost done. Now I'm applying kajal on the waterline of my eyes. मैं इसको ज़्यादा cold eyes नहीं करना चाहती, just light करूँगी because I want to keep this look very soft. So lightly I'm applying the kajal. Doing my eyebrows here. Guys, I don't have to work much on my eyebrows because as I've told earlier also that I have naturally thick and well-shaped eyebrows. So that's the thing. I've completed the whole makeup. Now I'm applying some mascaras. Before that I used eyelash curler. You have to keep like 10 to 20 seconds this and then apply mascara and your eyes will be like this. Wow, I'm ready. This is the final look. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.